Hey guys, nice to be together again. Guys, I'm really happy with the car. It looks really fantastic on the road. Let me give you a little breakdown about the design because it's really looking fantastic. We are talking about the next level of e-tron design, so we tried to clean up the surfaces, give them a lot more volume so they look really powerful and characterful on the road. Emphasizing the wheels, which are actually pushed much further out on this package, mainly because of our battery pack, which sits in the ground. And this gives us a new opportunity to talk about much bigger cabin space. I'm a big fan of the Sportback as well. Thomas, maybe you can tell us a bit about the rear.
Amar, thank you. Yeah, since we were just talking about the rear of the car, it's really important to know some background from the aerodynamic point of view. The Q4 Sportback, aerodynamically speaking, is a so-called fastback. Now, fastback type cars have no roof spoiler, but the roof is slanted towards the trunk, showing a continuous slope from the roof to the tail. We incorporated a rear spoiler at a rather high position. It actually splits the rear window, and this leads to an optimal flow direction of the rear and to reduced vortex drag. Now, Christian, how about the interior?
Thanks, Thomas, for asking. Our goal in design was to create an interior where the customer steps in and says, wow, I really want this car, it's so cool, it's so futuristic. We wanted to deliver 100% Audi interior, very sporty, very driver focused. We have the biggest screen we have in Audis right now, a new generation steering wheel with touch sliders, an operating panel in the center console, which also follow this digital idea, a lot of roominess and spaciousness in the whole car, and one highlight is the bottle holder in the door. Right, Pirmin?
Yeah, Christian, thanks for mentioning. So what we were able to do is in every door panel, you can store up to 1 liter, even 1.5 liter bottles, very easily for you to reach. So a quite cool everyday feature.
I'd like to show you some color and trim highlights. For example, on our interior applications on the wood, we focused on an extreme 3D haptic. On our aluminium, we divided this big surface with 2 different graphics. And for the very first time, we show our new Audi rings in the interior, which correspond to our corporate Audi identity. Out of all this waste, which consists of recycled PET bottles, recycled granules, we create a top and a bottom material, which together in the carpet is an 88% recycled material. In the total interior, 31% together with the rear shelf is recycled, but there's more.
I would like to show you one of the coolest design features in exterior of the Q4 e-tron. It's a new headlight design, and it's the first time ever that the customer can choose between 4 different DRL designs. This is our favorite. It has a black pupil in the middle. It's a strong character. Number 2 is a more sporty one. We call it the checkered flag graphic. And number 3 is a classical Audi design with an L shape. And then we have number 4, it's a more reduced one with a strong bright pupil in the middle. I hope that you're fascinated of the all-new Q4 e-tron like we are. Bye!